Hello, this is Steve. In this session, we will learn how to apply network access control depending on the status of the device. In the Jinyan NAC, enforcement policy is a feature assigned network access based on the status of the device. Let's access web console and see how the policy can be applied. Click the Policy tab and click the Enforcement Policy. The enforcement policy consists of the name, node group, and network access permission. The enforcement policy is applied in order from top to bottom. Let's see how each policy is configured. Click the blocking exceptions. Here is the node group. Node group means the target of the policy is blocking exception. Now the condition is that the node type detected is equal to network appliance, or node type detect is equal to wireless AP device. And permission, the allowed network permission for this device are from all. Network object is an accessible destination IP. Now it is the net all, whole network, and service object is a service port as well all, and time object is accessible time. Perm all is the right to access all network, all port, and all time. Let's look at another policy, user not authenticated. Click and enable. Now the group target is the authenticated user status is not authenticated. If the user is not authenticated, the user device is belong to this group, and this group permission is from DNS. Network object is net all, and service object only can access the DNS port UDP 53, and time object anytime. The purpose of the POM DNS is to redirect to the suitability page and update it, apply. You can see the 56 nodes is included this group. If you want to apply authentication policy only to a specific subnet or range, you can change the condition to the group. And click the node group name and add the condition. Criteria IP, and it's between 150. Add update it and update it, apply. You can see that now the 9 node is belong to this enforcement policy group. agent not installed policy. Enable. Its policy means agent is not installed node. Include node which do not have the Genian agent installed. And update it. Apply. "45 node is assigned to this enforcement policy. And also, if you want to apply agent installation only to a specific subnet, you can change the condition to the group as well. Is one of the subnet. Now let's create a new enforcement policy. The condition is that antivirus will check the PC that has not been inspected for more than a week and give the PC access to only antivirus server IP. And task and create button. Next. And type of the enforcement policy name. NAC scan PC by antivirus and change the order of the policy. In order, we will enter the number 5. Number 6, yeah. After the Genian agent installation. And next, we need to create a status group. And click the status group. Now go back to the presentation. Status group is based on a specific status of the device. Unauthenticated antivirus does not install or run using a P2P program or an instance message program, etc. You can create a group using the status of the device. ID and add. Below which create criteria are conditions for more detailed input. And antivirus, I choose the antivirus and time since antivirus was scanned is greater than a week. And add and save. And save the group and select the creator status group. And next. And we need the creator permission to assign to not scanned by antivirus. Click the plus button and first of all, network object is an IP that allows access. Click the plus button and enter the name, server IP, and add, create it, and service object allows only 8TN 443. TCP add, create, and time object select only working time plus working times and ID server and create it. And assign the create the permission. Next and next. Finish and apply. Two node is included in the group. And finally, the current network sensor is monitoring mode. So the network control is not actually working. To control the network access, we have to change the monitoring mode from sensor setting to enforcement mode. And sensor, edit sensor setting, and you need to check sensor mode is host and sensor operating mode from monitoring to enforcement and update. Okay, and go back to the management. When a sensor changes from monitoring mode to enforcement mode, it can be seen that the sensor changes color from blue to pink. Now, the nodes that do not comply with the NAC policy are redirected to the CW page when they connect to the internet or network. I will try to connect our home page. We can see the CWP page. So far, we talk about the enforcement policy.